Events like this are critical in giving our people the opportunity to develop and to showcase the talent they have. Today, allow the chefs to choose a dish that's a signature dish of theirs. It's really fundamental to what we believe in Dalata, that you want to grow and develop your career in a way that works for you, and this gives people the opportunity to do that.
It's a very fair company to work for. They really do respect anything you have, any family issues, anything going on, especially in our hotel in Malden Newlands Cross. They've always looked out for us. So Dalata will allow me to bring my difference just because they allow you to be whatever you want to be.
It's a global platform. As a chef, people can move around and they can settle wherever they want. It's anywhere, everywhere people can live and work.
Being a Dalata chef for me means to be part of a forward-thinking company, a progressive company, and definitely a fun environment to work in. You've got a definite work-life balance, you've got a good team, there's a lot of knowledge to be shared.
Being a chef in Dalata, like I've just said, it's a brilliant path. You can learn things, you can achieve things, you can travel different countries, you can travel different hotels. We've just purchased a property in Amsterdam, so the ability to go anywhere and do anything.
I came in as a senior chef de partie and then I've worked my way up since then to sous chef. I always try and bring a bit of inspiration to each shift with the team that I'm on with and teaching others.
Being a Dalata chef has developed both me and my career at the same time. It's really made me come out of my shell, and now as a sous chef in Bristol, it's really made me take on the role as my own and manage other people and help them come out of their shell.
At Dalata, our chefs are really important to us. They're a crucial part of our business. Every hotel we have is different, so the chefs can move around. No 2 days are the same in any of our kitchens with the chefs. We do master classes and trying to get them to just keep going and keep training and developing. And we're so proud of what we saw and what we tasted today. It was fantastic.